Get ready for the sequel, The Big Short 2.0, as the real estate market is on the precipice of another collapse. Dr. Michael Burry, the famous character that shorted real estate, has just placed a $1.6 billion short bet and put options against the stock market. He sees the math, he sees the numbers, the leverage. Zillow's coming out with 1% down payments on mortgages. Interest rates are about to touch 8%. Affordability is at, an all-time low. Income to real estate prices are at the highest level ever in the United States. The global property market is set for a big correction. And, the realtors will tell you, oh, it's going to be a little correction. There's so much leverage in the system that when it goes, it's going to be big. So all the same banks, all the same bad actors are all still in play. They ran the market for, a decade, and they take all their money out of these companies and they'll just BK them, or they will have the government have to come in and bail them out again. People are not going to be happy with the same banks getting bailouts for the same problems. There's going to be a political and social upheaval against this. But the government is at their mercy, because if they do not give these institutions money, the economy will collapse and we could go from a recession to a depression. So I think when this next market crash happens, you are going to see a lot of change culturally and across the board in the United States. And I think the real big short is Bitcoin, because if you watch the movie, they made the short bets with Bear Stearns against the real estate market, and it's like, oh, wow, we won. But the company we made the bets with went bankrupt. So no matter what you do on the Titanic, which is the US, you have counterparty risk. Bitcoin, gold, silver are all anti-dollar instruments that you have no counterparty risk. And I think Bitcoin is really going to be the Big Short 2.0, and it is going to rocket when these trillions of dollars in bailouts come. So follow me, the Bitcoin Capitalist, and learn about Bitcoin now before it's too late.